Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have some Wingstop. Let me get started with telling you what I got today. I got some of the lemon pepper wings. Got mango habanero. And I got the Louisiana rub, which are my favorite. And then this is gonna be my first time trying out the Voodoo fries, which I heard they're like Wingstop's animal style fries. So they should be good. And then I also got their Cajun corn, which I love. It's amazing. So let's get started, guys. Get this ranch right here. Some lemon pepper. By the way, if you guys hear weird noises in the background, that's just my pug. He's snoring and, you know, he wants food. Mmm. Mmm. They're lemon pepper. Mmm. Mm-hmm. This is the good shit. Mmm. So how are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. The corn is so good. I really enjoyed. Especially because it goes really well with the Cajun that they put on it. Alright, let's try the fries. Whew. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. That's amazing. Looks like they put cheese, Cajun, and some other white sauce. What's that white stuff, Mia?
Ranch.
And ranch. Mmm. Wow, these fries are bomb. They're called the Voodoo fries. Voodoo. Mmm. Those are some good fries. Louisiana rub. They're so good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Louisiana rubs are really good. I actually had to go to Wingstop twice because they forgot my corn. The mango are so sweet. Forgot my corn, I had to go back. We called them and then they're like, oh yeah, you forgot one more bag. I'm like, well, you only had me one bag. How am I supposed to know you're going to give me 2 bags? Mm. Yep. Let's try one of the corns. Some ranch. Mm-hmm. There he goes. Mm. Lemon pepper. Mmm. Their lemon pepper is so good. Mmm. What's you guys' favorite wings? Put that in the comments below. Do you guys prefer Wingstop, Buffalo Wild Wing, or homemade? And I know you guys are probably like, if you guys go back to my original video, my very first video, I was like, I make my own wings. Yes, I love Wingstop as well. Which, by the way, if you guys want me to make a video of me making those wings and then eating those, I'll make one. Mm. Mm. It is so delicious. But these fries smack. Mm. Oh no. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. It's like, you know which one to pick. I like how the Louisiana rub, just like the rub is just so good. It's like tangy, spicy, a little spicy, not too much. It's just really flavorful. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh. Gotta follow the lemon pep. Gotta follow the Louisiana rub with the lemon pepper, which is so good. Mm. They're so flavorful. Another mango. What wings do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer the flats or the drums? Hydration is key. Well, I drink my 2 ounces a day of water. I'm good enough for the rest of the day. I'm playing, guys. I'm totally kidding. This corn is something else. When I went back to Wingstop, I felt kind of bad. Because I was rushing because I wanted to come back and do the video because no one likes cold wings, right? So I grabbed the bag, and so I was grabbing the bag. I guess she didn't let go of the bag. And I pulled her hand a little bit. I was like, sorry. The man's hungry. Yeah, these Voodoo fries, they're something else. They're really good. Yes, I'm using a wipey. They already come with a little bit drizzle of ranch, but you gotta dip them in there. Trust me. Believe me when I tell you, they smack. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna dip. There's some of the juices from the Louisiana rub. Ooh, that's a good idea. Putting Louisiana rub with the corn. That's good. That's a good idea. Definitely a good idea. Next time, I'm actually going to tell them to put some of the Louisiana rub on the corn. I'm sure you can. I like crispy skin. Wingstop's mango habanero are definitely less spicy than the ones from Buffalo Wild Wings. Some people would say they're more enjoyable. Tony. Louisiana roll, they're so good. Alright guys, this is going to be it for me today. I'm really full. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure that you guys subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you guys in my next video. Peace.